Now next step, last step was x plus c. I divided x plus c both the side, but this is not a proper solution. What we will do, we will take this term in the left side. Positive 9 become negative 9, this whole term become negative 9 is equal to 0. Now what we will do, x plus 3 is common from both the terms. X plus 3 is common. So what is left? 4 into x plus 8 minus 9 into x plus 3 is left. X plus 3 is common, and here x plus 3 is common. From 2, 1 is outside and 1 is inside, is equal to 0. Now we can see that x plus 3 is equal to 0. First time we will put this term, these two terms equal to 0. First of all, we will take x plus 3 is equal to 0. Next time we will put 4 into x plus 8 minus 9 into x plus 3 equal to 0. So positive 3 become negative 3. Similarly 4x plus 4 into x, 4x plus 4 8s are 32, minus 9 into x minus 9x minus 9 into plus 3 minus 27 is equal to 0. 9 minus 4 minus 5x plus 32 minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0. Minus 5 does not equal to 0, but is, we'll take first of all minus 5, we'll take common minus 5, what is left? X minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can say that minus 5 does not equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. This is first and this is second. Now what we will do, we will check. How to check? By putting x equal to 1 and x is equal to minus a in whole the question. X square plus 2x minus 3 plus under root x square plus 7x minus 8 is equal to under root 5 into x square plus 3x minus 4. Now 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 3 plus under root 1 plus 7 into 1 minus 8 is equal to under root 5. 1 plus 3 into 1 minus 4. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus 3, 2, under 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus 3, 0, plus 7 plus 8, 8 minus 8, 3 minus 3, plus under root 8 minus 8 is equal to 5, 3 plus 1, 4 minus 4, 0 is equal to 0. Next time we will put x is equal to, here x is equal to 1, here x is equal to minus 3, we will check. So minus 3 square plus 2 into minus 3 plus under root minus 3 square plus 7 into minus 3 minus 8. This is left side. 9 minus 6 minus 3 plus under root 9 minus 7 3s are 21 minus 8. 7 3s are 21 minus 21 minus 8 minus 29 plus 9 minus 20 under root 0. This is left side and this is right side. 5 under root minus 3 square plus 3 into minus 3 minus 4. 9 minus 9 minus 4. 5. 5 is under 5 under 5 into under root minus 4 is equal to minus 20 under root. Left side and right side both are equal. Here left side, and so our solution set become, this is minus 20 and this is under minus 20. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, and so our solution set become, both these are equal, and here this and this equal. This is left side and this is right side. So solution become 1 and -3. Because after checking and putting x equal to 1 in question, we will get left hand side equal to right side. Similarly, x equal to minus you put in the question, but we get left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we can say that 1 and -3 are the root of given equation.